goes live, I just want to give my condolences to Stradman. I want to say that I respect you, man, for posting what you did post today. I can understand how hard it is for posting something like that after losing your father, and can't imagine the pain that you're going through right now. So respect to you, man. You've been the inspiration for me to start my channel, and I really appreciate everything that you've done for the automotive world. I know that no words that I can say can make you feel better, but I just want you to know that if you're watching this, you mentioned that he is a religious soul, so just know that his last breath here on earth was his first breath in heaven. Keep doing what you're doing, man, and I appreciate everything that you've done to inspire me.
It's a nice view, right?
So we're gonna air down.
Oh, okay.
It's a good spot to air down. Air down a bit for the trail. These things are pretty cool. Just let the air out. You can adjust them for how much air you want to actually let out. So we're gonna head up this trail that we took a few weeks ago. I'm gonna show Jason the trail that he's never been on. But this view is pretty sick. You can see the golf course. This little rut right here, the camera doesn't really do it justice, but it's a little dicey here. Those KO2s take it really nicely. All right, Jason, so a couple of weeks ago, I don't know if you saw the video, I did a little flex video up on this little incline right here, but I want to actually climb it. I want to get some shots of me climbing it. I don't think the camera does it justice as to actually how steep that is. What do you think?
Walk it to show the people. Oh, no, I mean, it's pretty steep.
It's pretty steep, right?
Yeah.
You think the truck can make it?
Oh yeah, for sure. The truck can make it, but it is pretty steep.
What I'll do is I'll kind of put the nose up against it so the viewers can check and see how steep it is. But are you gonna climb it?
Yeah, I'll climb it.
Yeah, I want to film you climbing it too.
Okay.
It's pretty steep, right?
Yeah. You know, it's either you go slow or you go fast. You just run down it.
I don't know, man. This is pretty steep. So I wanted to get my hood kind of into the hill right here so they can see how steep it is. I don't think, based off of the angle you're at, I don't think they can actually see how steep it is. Look at that. I mean, look at how far my nose dives down into that. How's the clearance in the front?
You're good. You're fine.
Alright. Trust me, water.
Just keep going.
I'm on the back.
You're good.
I mean, I flexed it a few weeks ago, but...
You're fine. Keep going.
I'm gonna lock my diff. I got a lot of crap on a video a few weeks ago where I didn't lock my diff. I can't even see anything. All right, the Tacoma's gonna try this approach right here. We'll see if he can make it. Coming around, we were a little worried about clearance, but I think he can do it. I think he can make it. So clearance is good in the front. Hang on, let me go to the back. Stop. Stop. Oh, he made it. He made it. That tow hook just barely touched. Again, the camera doesn't do it justice as to how steep this is, but man, your tow hitch barely touched.
Diff lock either.
No diff lock, you did it. Oh, dude, just like barely. Like I was gonna tell you to stop, but it just barely hit.
Oh, if I scratch, that's fine.
Yeah. What do you think about a little tug of war action between the F150 and the Tacoma?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. There's a little.
I'm down.
So up here around the corner, it's not as close, but around the corner, there's a little like flat area. We have to pull off the main trail a little bit, and I think it's a good spot for it.
Sounds good.
So, all right, follow me.
Yep.
All right, let's do it. All right, so I think this is where we're gonna do it. We're gonna do the tug of war right here. What are the rules? Are we gonna stay in 4-wheel drive? Want to do 2-wheel drive?
I don't know. This is my first tug of war.
Can I lock my diff?
No, actually, that one I'll say you cannot do because I already have you already have an unfair advantage. 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive is fine, but no diff locking for sure.
All right, so maybe let's try 2-wheel drive first.
All right,
and see, because I know we're gonna slip and slide anyway. I mean, it's dirt.
Yeah.
So.
Well. Yeah, okay.
We're gonna slide anyway, no matter what. So let's try 2, and then we'll do another one and slip it into 4th.
All right, sounds good.
All right. All right. So we're gonna get the truck set up here, and then I have a little tripod that we're gonna film this way, and we'll get it figured out. Let's get this strap out, and this guy right here. So I have a 20-foot strap. Check this out. I've never actually used it.
Okay.
So it's still all wrapped up. Rating is 30,000 pounds. So we should be good.
That's nice.
Let's pull that off. Should be straight.
Like that. So when we pull. What are you talking to me or?
All right. So I put mine in 2-wheel drive already. Mine's in 2-wheel. So we're gonna get some spinach for sure. Hopefully we can hear each other. Keep going, keep going, keep going, stop. Right there, that's good. So we're in 2-wheel drive, and I didn't tell him, but I actually put it in tow mode. So we'll see if that makes a difference. I don't know if I should turn traction control off. You guys in the comments, let me know if I should turn traction control off, but here we go. All right, we said that we were gonna honk it off.
Round 1, fight!
You ready? Come on! Come on! Come on! Awesome, dude.
I wasn't going anywhere.
I wasn't either. Oh, that was interesting. Oh, that took a bit for us to actually like start pulling.
Yeah,
dude.
Like I honestly figured because obviously bigger truck.
Yeah.
Weighed a lot more.
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna have the advantage and then start going, but I think I can smell I'm either burning the rubber.
I think I'm burning rubber.
Or transmission.
No, it's not transmission.
It smells more like rubber,
it's
right?
rubber. It's rubber.
Yeah, I'm burning rubber too.
Yeah. Dude, that was awesome.
Look at the thing.
Oh, that's what we were caught on right there. Yeah, that's what you were caught on. That's what you're burning rubber right there.
Yep, so it was me burning rubber.
Oh, look.
Yeah, I dug in, man.
Oh.
Wow, look at this. I have a size 11 foot, okay, just to give you guys a perspective. My foot is size 11.
Look at how far you dug in there.
I dug in.
Dude, I don't think I dug in that deep.
Let's look at yours.
I was just spinning.
No, you dug a little bit.
A little bit.
Round 2, finish him!
There's no contest on that one.
Oh, yeah, with 4-wheel drive, dude, you instant.
What did it feel like when I pulled you back?
None, it just felt like, I was going backwards.
Anywhere?
I was just going backwards. We're like, it was instant. Like,
yeah.
The instant that we both hit the throttle, I was already going back. I had like no chance.
So
So did you lock your diff?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I didn't, but I did put it in tow mode.
Oh, you did? No wonder. What? I was like, I didn't even realize you had a tow mode.
I did put it in tow mode, so
gave you more torque then. Yeah, because you know, I honestly thought I would have a better fighting chance in 4-wheel drive, consider how 2-wheel drive went, but
yeah,
this guy put it in tow mode.
That 2-wheel drive, man, I was actually shocked. I was bouncing around and
yeah, I was bouncing too. Like I didn't think that I would. I honestly thought I would be, you know, headed backwards like I was just now with the second run, but tow mode helps. We love our trucks, you know. Although I wouldn't mind getting a brand new bigger truck, but you know, I prefer not to because this little baby's already paid off, you know. It's an 07.
There you go.
You know, it does its job. You know, I love her to death.
Yeah, it did pretty good.
So.
It did pretty good. All right, there you have it, you guys. F150 versus Tacoma. Tacoma took the L, but it's okay. It's okay. V6 versus V8.
Yep. Of course.
So, and then you're right. I think you're right. The F150 is way heavier too. So,
what's do you know your weight?
Gross vehicle weight. 7,000. What? 7,000 pounds? That's surprising.
Yeah, I'm at 5350.
53. So 7,000 pounds versus 5,300.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
It's a big difference.
Well, you know, this is a compact truck, of course.
Yeah, mid-sized truck versus a full-size truck too. So, all right, you guys, thank you for tuning in to another episode of Hot Wheels Dad. If you like this type of content, please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help my channel out. It helps me grow and get out to more and more people. Check me out on my social pages, Hot Wheels Dad on Facebook and Instagram. Comment down below what more you want to see on the channel. If you want to see more of this off-road content, more tug of wars. I really want to get a tug of war with the Tundra. What do you think about that?
Let's get it. Yep, let's find somebody with the Tundra.
I know. I think that would be a good match. All right, you guys. Always remember, you are the maker of your own story, so don't forget to make it legendary. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.